I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Shopify account is locked after a review, follow these steps to unlock it. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify login page and enter your credentials. If your account is locked, you'll see a notification regarding the review. Step 2. Check your email. Look for an email from Shopify regarding the account review. This email typically contains instructions or a link to resolve the issue. Step 3. Follow the instructions. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Submit required documentation. If requested, submit any necessary documents through the link provided in the email. Make sure the documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your documents, wait for a confirmation email from Shopify. This can take a few hours to a couple of days, so be patient. If you don't receive a response after a couple of days, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance. Good luck, and I hope your account is unlocked soon.